evidence does he have in the real picture of it? Does Mbah, the governor, current governor of Enugu State, actually have evidence? And if you have, which evidence does you have? Even what message is he trying to pass? What does he want to achieve? Are Igbos not being killed by Nigerian forces? Is this a money that murdered 28 people in nnamdikanu's house? Is this someone that has subjected Igbos to injustice, marginalization? Is this someone that have continued to militarize the Igbo land? I think some of these governors of Eastern extraction should understand and begin to ask themselves certain questions. Are they Fulani political leaders or Igbo political leaders? That's a big question. Why would somebody come out and say, leave me, I will bring peace? And these people are still holding him. So he said, they do not want peace. If somebody says, bring me out, I'll give you peace. Is that mean the government does not want peace in the eastern part of the country? They are killing the Easterners and keeping it on IPOB and Simon Ekpa. Bros, have you seen Simon Ekpa leading a rebel group in any part of this country? We are watching. With this and what they are trying to achieve at this moment, is it what the Igbo nation and Nigeria are actually ready for? nnamdikanu is in detention with an option for peace. The federal government actually wants peace in the eastern part of the country. Someone is questioning, why would somebody that said, leave me, I will bring peace, is still being kept there? That means you do not actually want peace. If the eastern governors should ask federal government, what is their interest? Is Tinubu and Buhari trying to destabilize the entire eastern Nigeria? As I'm talking to you now, ever since this thing started, the Igbo nation, the eastern Nigeria alone, have lost over 30 trillion to sponsored attack on Igbo land. But the powers that be. Nobody should bring the issue. When there is an action, there is always a reaction. Thank God for Finnish government. I'm sure by now they should have released, let him go after they have concluded their investigation. The investigation has shown that he's not a terrorist. It does not belong to any terrorist organization. But I'm asking you now, does Simon Ekpa belong to any terrorist organization? Can anybody, even the federal government, come out today and tell the whole world that Simon Ekpa is a member of a Al-Qaeda network? It's not possible. They know what they are doing. The world knows what is happening. The world knows what they want to get. The world is planning to define the moment. And it's coming. It's breathing. They have successfully, endangered the Nigerian system and they have exposed Tinubu's plan to the world. And they are investigating. Many lawyers from America, from all over the world, are already storming Finland. And Alexander Stubb, the Finland president, understands this fact very well, that he needed to keep Simon Ekpa, to be able to allow tensions to calm before he asked the gentleman to go. Because when he asked for evidence, biafrans all over the world flooded Finland and shut the server with evidence. What does the world want again? What does Tinubu and Fulani people want from Igbos? What does Ruben Abati of Arise TV want from an Igbo man? These are the questions they need to answer. Igbo man has never been president of this country for a very long time. Still, any problem will be blamed on the Igbo nation. Anything will be blamed on the Igbo nation. The southeastern governors and the Ohanese and Igbo should ask Bola Ahmed Tinubu if actually the release of nnamdikanu will bring peace. in the eastern part of the country. Why haven't they tried to release nnamdikanu and bring peace in the eastern part of the country if they do not have ulterior motive to Islamize Igbos? There's going to be resistance. There's no doubt about it. The game they are playing for how many years now? For how many years are you not seeing it? What has it benefited Nigeria? Well, the Northerners have it on the good note that, you know, at last, they'll be able to benefit from Yorubas. Yes, that's their plan. That they will benefit from Yorubas. That's why you see all this political alliance and everything. Ruben Abati coming out to say, Igbos are this. But your wife, Ruben Abati, has been under the custody and care of APs, Allen Onyoema, bred and trained and keep your wife moving up to this moment. Arise TV is owned by Nduka Obabena, an Igbo man, which someone Ruben Abati is working under. Well, you see how the effort to come out. Ruben Abati, you are in the category of Arab Yorubas that are working against the Igbo interest, like other ones who have them hidden in all nooks and crannies. For all those who say they will not give Igbo man house.
But you talking Jonathan. What is Jonathan?
He was appointed. Is that wickedness? Did Jonathan wicked him? Most of 70% of some businesses that have been run by Yorubas are pioneered underground. The Igbos are the brain behind it. I'm telling you, go find out. If somebody tells you that Allen Onyema is making sure that Ruben Abati's wife is up to date with contracts to date, will you ever believe it? But the same people saying will come out and say, bigotry, a journalist. That is devilish. Our advice Arise TV to sack him. You should excuse him, let him go. Too much. Yes, they should sack Ruben Abati. And that is why a lot of people are in love. Yes, because if you look at this guy too, Hussein, we know what Hussein said about Donald Trump. Who knows his position about Donald Trump? Why would he be supporting gay? People who are promoting gay, make man the marry man. I say civilization. Who told you it's civilization? You are exposed. Yeah, you read. At the end, God surprised Rufai with Donald Trump's victory. If not, by now, we would have been talking about gay marriage. Make man the marry man. Make woman the marry woman. And you say it's civilized. Yes, it is time. There will be resistance. I keep on saying it. There will be resistance. Yes, there will be resistance. Either by crook or by crook. Look at people who are supposed to transfer. That's why they are using journalists to play ball all over the world, especially in Nigeria. They have attached less value to less moral value because most of them are being induced by nonsense. How can you be a journalist, say make man the marry man? You are seeing a government that is promoting gay. He said they can win. Well, fine. And is it not hard time when I come out from Arise TV?
But their boss is there. What's their boss saying?
Bros,
Their boss supports.
let me tell you, we can bring that to limelight. We don't know. We don't know what these guys are up to. Their alliances are not clear. Their perceptions are not clear. For somebody like Rufai, whom people like me respect, bros, I not respect. Two of them self, I distance myself from them. One is promoting gay. One is promoting homophobia. Let them hear this. I'm saying it clearly. Igbo man does not do anybody wrong. If you are not expressive, involve yourself. Try and involve yourself. Let us see how expressive you are.
So, but people want to know that December 2, is this sacrosanct? Because we've heard that people are already flying into Finland for the convention.
Oh, because that's the confusion in Abuja. They don't know, because the less you see, the more you look, the less you see. The humble looking of a lion does not mean that the lion is weak. What you are seeing there today is what God has promised, a destiny that we have restarted. Biafra is a destiny, it's a spirit that when you restart, the Finland Convention is to tell the world that there is already an existing referendum. That the world powers, United Nations Security Council, can capitalize on and issue a fiat of freedom to the Biafran nation. As simple as that. It's to present to the whole world. Of course, we have Dr. Ngozi Orabweze. Bro,
there should be one wicked.
no, forget all those propaganda. Wicked on what now? Who is making you to be wicked? Are you God? You are not God. Igbos we are in the world today. Igbos are small gods. They are connected to the big God. You know, when the God says, "I will make you in my own image." When you see an Igbo man, you see God. If you go against him, you will be cursed. That's what the Bible says. The Igbo man today will not go against Israel as a nation. Will not go against Benjamin Netanyahu as the Prime Minister of Israel. Because when you don't understand what they are fighting for, when Nigeria does not understand where Biafrans are fighting for, they will not understand why we are seeking freedom. That's the picture. And it is coming. The word is coming. From different angles and different roads. It takes a great man. What? A few years from now, the Yoruba people will say that them bring Biafra. Yes, they will tell you they are the one that brought Biafra. The way they are claiming they are the one that brought independence in Nigeria. They will twist it. The Bible said that even the elites will be deceived. What is coming? Let Finnish government be a democratic enough, show civility, show understanding, and allow human rights and principles of democracy to take the position of reality about Simon Ekpa. That is the picture there. But bros, 2nd December, no retreat, no surrender. That is the situation on the ground. And the freedom of Simon Ekpa is just after they have concluded in their investigation. But I like what the Finnish government are trying to do, you know, to keep a certain standard and teach Nigeria possibly a lesson they will live to remember for the rest of their life. Because what you are seeing happening now, currently now, it will damage and drain and stain Nigeria forever. Once Simon Ekpa becomes out of there, his global campaign will take another dimension, and that's what they are afraid of.
He is going to Mbah say he's going to send a concrete evidence against his own brother. I want to ask Mbah, you are the governor of Enugu State, and you are the one that the Enugu people are looking up to protect them, to secure them. I want to ask you a question, Mbah. The people that they killed, the 3 persons that they killed, the Fulani killed, is it Simon Ekpa that killed them? Remember that you people say that Simon Ekpa have been arrested. That is what you people say, which you yourself dance and celebrate. Yet the 3 persons were killed. Is it Simon Ekpa from the prison that came out to kill those people in Enugu State, in their farmland? I am asking. That is to tell you, Mbah doesn't have any concrete evidence to show. It doesn't have anything. And Mbah should know this at the back of his mind. No champion forever. If you think that you are untouchable because you are currently the Nigerian governor in Enugu State, after Biafra Republic and after Biafra a declaration or whatsoever come December 22nd, Mbah we will give you condition. Mbah we go give you condition. We will tell you, say na our land. Now we put you there. No be you put yourself. Enough of this nonsense. Enough. This is how you sold your brothers. A certain village in Enugu was completely ransacked by the Fulanis. After this time, you said that you don't want the ECN or whatsoever in your land that they should leave Enugu State. They left a very particular village. The Fulanis cleared them, killed them overnight, and occupied that village. Mbah, what have you done up to today? Nothing. In the month of May, Mbah, a 16-year-old girl, a virgin, was raped by 5 Fulanis. By 5 Fulanis. Only one man, a farmer, came for the young girl rescue. Mbah, that man was killed. Up to this very moment, Mbah, what have you done? Or was he not in your custody? Or is it not your duty to protect? Is it not in your table to ask why, to demand for the arrest of those people? You didn't do anything up to this very moment. But you have time. You created time. You make time to bring evidence against your own brother. What a shame. What a shame to you, Mbah. I am highly disappointed. You are not qualified to be a governor in Enugu State. Because under your nose, look at what is going on. And nothing is happening. You are not doing anything. No action, no word, no. In fact, you are too dull to my liking.
But I've seen some people on social media said he's really doing well in Enugu. He's really working. Even we saw Shetima 2 months ago visited.
Shetima, who
visited?
Excuse me. State. Who is Shetima? A terrorist. Hence, men. Is he not part of one of them? They are bird of the same feather. What do you expect from him? Definitely, he got to promote their member. They are bird of the same feather, flying together, so they are promoting each other. They are promoting each other because they are the brain behind the killing that is going on in the southeast. I have told you people that if Nigeria needs peace, let the federal government or the EFCC or the generals, the armies, they should rise up against the politicians. You will see peace in Nigeria. By the time they rise up against Nigerian politicians, peace will stand in Nigeria. Both in the north. The current governor of Zamfara State, what did he say? He accused the former governor of being the chief pioneer of the killings, the Boko Haram, the terrorism in the northern part of Nigeria. But today, Tinubu has given him an appointment. So these are birds of the same feather flying together. The group of men that form a club to rule Nigeria. That's why a lot of atrocities are going on in Nigeria and government is not doing anything. Yes, let the military wake up and face the politicians. Then you will see all the crises will calm down. And I want to ask you, those henchmen and those people who are buying guns to them, where did they see money to buy guns? 2, how did those ammunitions enter Nigeria? We have security personnel in different quarters, both immigration and whatsoever. What is their work? What are they doing? If you are telling me that those things are not political, politicians are the one behind what is going on in Nigeria. They should stop blaming Simon Ekpa. Mbah is one of them. Where Uzodinma is number 2. Another person, Anambra State Soludo, is the 3rd man. These are the group of people that use that channel. They sign the document of bringing the ammunition, and they will come in and they will give it to the people the people will start killing. And after they finish murdering people, they will come out and put it in the head of Simon Ekpa, accusing Simon Ekpa. Most of the tapes, most of the people that we seen where they are being murdered, you will see their uniform, Nigerian uniform. Is it Biafran uniform? Is it Simon Ekpa there? Do you see them there? Do you see Simon Ekpa uniform or Simon Ekpa wearing uniform to kill those people? We are seeing Nigerian military men with their uniform, even house to house, to kidnap young guys. About 5,000 currently missing. 5,000 of the youth, Nigerian youth, have been murdered currently now by the Nigerian military. The Biafran youth.
So
is this Simon Ekpa?
So you feel that Peter Mbah giving the Finnish government document to indict Ekpa will not work? The Finnish government will rubbish it?
It's already a failure. Nigeria has failed. Simon Ekpa has defeated them. Mbah is a failure. And let me tell you, for your information, you know, say, they are use hope and use hope and use hope. Now they want to focus more on Mbah now. So they want to, Nigeria want to use Mbah now. They are paying him some amount. You know, say it's a stupid governor. It's a man that collect money and betray his family. So they have paid him. He decided to have time to prepare document against Simon Ekpa. But he did not have time to checkmate document of the people that kill. He did not have time to checkmate how come these people rape a 16-year-old girl. 5 of them rape that 16-year-old girl in his own state. As of on Friday, 3 persons were killed. He did not have time for that, but he will have time to say his brother, shame to you.
The so-called governors. The selfish interest they have in this country will swallow them one day. They are working against their brother because their brother came out and said the truth. I tell you, no. Follow the right track. Don't dance around the bush. Follow the right track. You say no, because what you are benefiting and what does not benefit your people. Now you are romancing them, clapping hands for them. Make it taste worse to your own people. Because they don't want good thing. They don't want light. Then the man they come and say, yes, this is we want light, we don't want darkness. You say no. You control the man in darkness. Now Finland they have there was jubilating. There was jubilating from the west, from the north, including the east. There was jubilating against Finland-based agitator, Simon Ekpa. There was jubilating. The end of the day, what happened? Send to devil, send to them. They will go, okay, you are claiming that you are going to submit. No, the Finland have invited you people. They people should come and declare. They people should come and, you know, clear on yourself for calling Simon Ekpa a terrorist. Because when you see the mentality of Nigeria, if we were killing are going on in the north day by day, killing people, kidnapping, destroy people's land, farmland. That's not at all. They never come out and say that they are terrorists. They demand that they come and say, no, not all those men. You call him a terrorist. They should go to Finland. Of course, Finland have invited them. They should come and clear themselves. Why this man? Why you people call this man a terrorist? Can he have proof? Can Mbah be able to defend himself of Finland? Of course, he can never. So let me tell you, you can never eat a cake and say have it. They can never eat their cake and say have it. After Satan done,
I believe that Samuel Ekpa will come back and become a victorious. Become a victory man. He will defeat them. I believe that he will come out and defeat all of them. Of course, I don't believe they will go. Watch and see what is going to happen. Watch and see. Let you go and submit yourself to Finland. And clear themselves how the Samalekpa become a terrorist. Why is insurgency in the north? They never declared them terrorists. Because they fear the person that come out and say the truth. Say no, not to bad. We want good. Not to darkness. We want light. Not to betrayal. Not to marginalize. Not to hatred. Not to injustice. You have to against the person. You come out against the person. Say it's a terrorist. Nigeria does not go, they can never get their left and the right. They can never get it. They can never get it. Right. They don't know their left and right. They don't know their left and right. That's why I see Nigeria rolling up and down. And I believe by his grace, Samuel Ekpa has, come out to defeat them. He has defeated them already. He has defeated Nigeria. So all those in their dancing, I believe they're just wasting their time. Because our people say, Agbo na nakreka. My people say, Agbo na nakreka. Ugo. That is it. Nigeria will never get it right any longer. You are trying to finish your own brother because of your selfish interest that you are getting from Nigerian government, because of your political ambition, because of your political agenda. You have to come out to sell your brother the hand of enemies. What can you gain? End of the day. What is the gain? End of the day. Have you seen none that come out and say, this is what caused the insurgency in the north? Have you seen them? Have you seen none that come out and say, this is what caused the Fulani issue? Yes, man. Why are they killing people? Have you seen the none that come out and say, oh, this is the people that is behind all this in the north? Have you seen them? Have you seen Obama come out and be telling people that my people call Igbos, call leaders? That Ghana must go, that banana, the light of flock and the light of leak can never allow them to come out and say the truth.